Hey guys, it's me, Praise Games, and today we're going to be doing opening packs, team of the season packs. And my last video was really good. So let's go. Hurricane! Hurricane! Holy moly! Hurricane! How did we just get him? Hurricane. Jeez. Shit. You guys can just pause on the hack. But you don't know my password. Holy damn. So shit. That was like the worst one I've ever got. Later we're gonna check out my players and everything. My tablet just fell. Oh, Muller, he's actually good. Come on, give me something good. Don't give me this shitty shit. Two. That was a really sick pack. Please. Two. Damn. If that was two, I would shout my head off. Forget two. That's just a legend. I need to get legend. Bobby. That is sick. That is so sick. Jeez. We're getting such good ones. Please, damn. He's good. Please. Oh. If there was Ronaldo team of the season, I got one. Even Hazard. For like 5 minutes, when it's 5 minutes, we're gonna be looking at my players and everything. Oh, that's my brother. Subscribe to him. I forget what his name is. There's lots of hackers. I just don't know why they make hacks. If hacks weren't in the world, it would make it better. My brother's making a video right now. I don't know why. He probably wants to copy me. If you know what Jacob Satori is, his voice is actually really bad. It's just edited. I think Justin Bieber has a new girlfriend, and he's not caring about his fans anymore. And you know Royce Coleman, once he tried to roast PewDiePie, and he tried to roast, and now him and his girlfriend are like, what? And the girlfriend was right about something. Wait, almost 5 minutes. Ronaldo, wow. Ronaldo, Messi. Ronaldo's high rated though.
Yeah. Alright.
Now we're gonna look at my players. My players are sick. I've been opening more packs. Look what I got. I got all of these in packs. I got Aquafirma in a pack. I got all of these in a pack. All of these are from packs. And all these are my ship players. And everything. Yeah, my class players, they're just hanging around. I can even sell him, but I know who I'm going to sell. No, I'm actually going to go to, what's it called? If I don't get 6 more Team of the Years, I'm going to sell Hazard. Team of the Season. Right there. And Lewandowski. That's who I'm going to sell. Just for you guys. Come on. In like 20 tries, that's what I'm going to have. Because I don't want to sell them. No, please, 2. That's 2. Oh, I please don't want to sell them. That's 4, I think. Yes, 4. 5. No, I'm not doing that. I don't want to sell. I'm only going to sell like De Gea. Yes, 1. I already have him. I'm just going to sell him. Yes, 2. Yes, I'm doing it now. I know why. Come on, you better give me 1. That's like 10th, I think. All I want. I don't want that. If you actually open your full pack, you get coins. I know why. Come here, saw. How about it? Come. Do you know the girl that made Kamiosa? Take what Satoru says. He doesn't know her, and he makes a video on Instagram and says, Kamiosa, how about it? Kamiosa. He keeps on saying that. I don't know why, and he says he doesn't know her. That's just class for the video. Even though I have him, I need him again. I'm gonna sell him. No, I don't have to. Because I did enable and open the Apex. My rapping skills are so bad. Text. I just heard over there. No one knows what I did. No one knows what I played. No one knows what I did. There's a lid on the counter where everybody knows. Everybody knows. Ho, ho, bo. I am not a hobo, you are a hobo too. If I'm a hobo, at least I'm smarter than you. I'm not taking the informations. Yes, that's information I'm taking. Yes, Cruz. Sometimes I make, like, Premier League and everything. Squads, but everyone makes. I just don't know why I do this. I just go pens. I know I shouldn't have picked them. I could pick the Hazard. This is going really bad. No, I'm gonna have to end the video. I'm just gonna pick random players. Because the video has to be 10 minutes. It's ending. Three, two.